This album cover is crazy. Wait,
Right?
look at this, guys.
Now that should have been
This
Hawkwind.
is intense. I think that is Hawkwind. I think that's Hawk and Wind. No, that's crazy though. Budgie really going for it on the. This is just some poor animal being killed and captured on photograph. No,
I think so
that's definitely
too.
what's happening. But it's pretty sick. It's pretty metal. I'm not gonna lie.
Hey there, welcome back to the S.A.D. channel. We're at you with another reaction, and this time we are checking out Budgie's Zoom Club. We are interested so much just because of the artwork and what this song sounds like. This was suggested by our patron Paul Fenwick. Shout out to you, Paul. Most of our patrons suggest our reactions, and if you want to get in on telling us what to react to, you got to head on over to patreon.com/siteafterdark for some bonus content, uncut reaction, and some live streams with us. With all that being said, let's check out this song.
Man, I just missed the ending by this much. I was so close.
We're
going on tour! Right now, we're in the studio working on our second album, and when we're done, the plan is to do our first national tour.
The goal is to go from New York to LA and hit as many cities in between as possible, but we need your help to make that happen.
I don't know if you knew this, but recording an album and going on tour costs a lot of money, which we don't necessarily have. So we have a special deal right now. You can get our new live album, Live After Dark, plus a t-shirt delivered directly to your door for $29. So check it out on Bandcamp, help fund the tour, help us play a city near you, and we'll see you on the road. That song kicked ass. Am I allowed to say that? Is that okay? Am I gonna get censored? This, I don't know, I don't mean this in like a rude way. I'm just actually not sure. Was this a man or a woman singing?
I'm gonna say it was a guy.
I don't know. I honestly couldn't tell. Like if that actually was a female singer, it was fucking awesome. I wouldn't know.
I just assumed it was just like a guy, just kind of like Getty from Rush, just the same like high register in a way.
Right.
Yeah.
It's funny how this could be like the most intense music for the day, but it's like you still sing it in such a high voice. You know what I mean? That's very interesting. This song was sick. I mean, all the instruments were amazing, especially the drums. The drums, if you guys can't tell, I have no idea how to play drums, but I like to play air drums, and this song gave me a lot to work with. Like now that the song's over, I just keep thinking about how awesome the drums were and how awesome the groove was. Like I remember, it started off slow and then it kind of picked up the tempo. By the time it actually dropped into the groove, I was already sold for this whole, what was this? This is at least an 8-minute song, right?
Yeah.
But I was sold from the very groove, the start of the groove.
It got so heavy. It started out light. I love that part of it. And I wanted to know, of course, what'd you think I did? What'd you think I did while we were listening?
You made up your own lyrics in your head, and you definitely didn't look up what the lyrics to the song were.
I looked up the lyrics because he's like, I just kept hearing him say like, come on. And I'm like, Zoom Club. Well, I know they didn't have Zoom back then.
Mr. Ponton, I believe you have a filter turned on in the video setting.
Can you hear me, Judge?
I can hear you. I think it's a filter.
So what is the Zoom Club? So yeah, apparently it's like a bar in Old Frankfurt in Germany that a lot of people used to go to. So, at the beginning, he's saying like, come on, you GIs. When I pulled up the lyrics and I saw the come on, you GIs, I was like, should I be jamming to this? Like, is this going to be like
is this a war song?
Right. But then he's like, come on, teachers, everybody. This used to be kind of, I don't know what American soldiers were doing over there, just probably going around before they had to go to Vietnam. So the meaning of the lyrics at the bottom, they're actually actual meaning, a meaning paragraph underneath the lyrics. Inspired by the club in Frankfurt, Germany, and Americans used to turn up at this club, which was used when the Vietnam War was on. So they were off to Vietnam, and mostly they just wanted to, I guess, be someplace, and this was the place to go. So, yeah, very, very interesting. What you doing in old Frankfurt?
I wonder if these guys played there.
Yeah.
Budgie played at the Zoom Club. It seems like a pretty good gig. Seems like a lot of people trying to have a good time. And forget all the terrible things that they just witnessed or are about to witness.
Yeah. It speaks of the power of freedom music offers to people. I thought that too, because I was like, okay, he's like, I'm gonna give it to you. You're gonna get it. Come on in and all this stuff like that. So I'm like, okay, well, it's got to be this awesome music that he's sharing.
Yeah, for real. I mean, yeah, if you got music like this, you got to share it.
Yeah.
And this was a great song to share.
I love the groove at the end because it was like, and I could have sworn they were just gonna, because they kept riding that groove towards the end, and I could have sworn they were just gonna slow it down like,
joke's on you.
You know what I'm saying? Anyway.
Yeah, no, that was a great one. Shout out to Paul for selecting this. We appreciate you. You're always coming with great picks. Guys, if you don't know, our reactions are mostly chosen by the patrons, so go check it out on patreon.com/SideAfterDark if you want to tell us what to react to, like we said before. But until then, we're Side After Dark, and we'll see you soon. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you made it to this point in the video, definitely make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. It really helps us out a lot.
And guys, you gotta check out our merch. We've got all the links below for all our Sight After Dark merchandise. You've got to get something.
Check us out on Patreon. All of our patrons help to determine what content we make. We put bonus content on there, and every single dollar helps us to continue making content like this.
Don't forget to listen to our music. Everywhere where you stream music, Sight After Dark appears. So check out our music on all streaming platforms.
See you soon.